Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, I'm just walking you through the first steps you need to do just to create kind of a single source of truth. So that instead of you having things scattered across like 22 worksheets and then you have to come back and put it all together, you simply keep everything in one location. So let's just set that up first of all. So the guidance was first of all is basically I've got my headings here. So I've got my groups, I've got my course names, time slots, trainers and invoiced. Okay, and what I'm going to do is walk you through the first two and how you'd prepare those for data validation. The other three you can do yourself if you so wish, and then in the next part of the tutorial I'm just going to look at how you would actually then use those drop downs in it. So here I'm going to hit group 1 and I'm just going to type in group 1, let's say group 2, group 3, startling originality there. Let's say course name. Let's of course put in Excel introduction, Excel functions, whoops, make sure I spell it correctly, okay, Excel pivot tables. And the way I'm going to set this up is that if you need to go back and change it again, it's not a big deal, you can do it. Now, since we're living in a COVID age, I'm going to put in my time slots. So I'm going to put 09:15 to 10:45, and then I'm going to put in 11.15 to 112.45. Obviously you can adapt these for yourself. Let's say 14-15 to 15-45. And see, I've done them kind of in standard increments. All right, let's say I might just do one more, which is say 16-15 to 17-45. All right, and trainers, let's say trainers, we're going to have Larry, Curly, Mo, and so on. And invoiced can be yes, no, and then we could have say maybe yes, no, or in progress. Now once you got your list set up, all right, what we want to do is make these lists dynamic so that we can use them again. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make them tables. So I highlight the whole lot over here, go to insert, and then I go to table, and I said yes, my table has headers, click OK. Right. Then once I got this done, I have something else to do. I need to give this highlight a name. Now make sure you highlight the whole thing, all right, and it's a table. And then I come up here to my name box. I'm just going to type this in group. And when you're naming your ranges, a couple of things, no spaces, and also make sure that when you type it in and then you press enter, and try and have it linked to the name of the course, to the name of the box as well. So you don't end up with like table 1, table 2, table 3, and you come back and think, what were they, huh? All right. We do the same thing then for course name. Highlight again, insert table. My table has headers, yes it does. And then I click up here and this one, and I'm going to call it course name. And if you notice here, I'm putting it in with no spaces, and then I press enter. All right. And basically what you do is you rinse and repeat for the other bits of repeating data that you have in your list. Right. And if you notice here, I kind of have a gap between them simply because that makes your lists easier to manage. Right. So what we're going to look at in the next video, the next bit of the tutorial is, okay, you've got all these done, got all them prepared. How do you actually start using them? Okay, meet you then. Take care. Bye.